Hi, welcome on AutoCADer channel. This is first video on the new playlist designated AutoCAD Dynamic Blocks. Today I'm gonna show you what are dynamic blocks and how big time saver these could be. AutoCAD Dynamic Blocks contains parameters, constraints and rules which are making them resizable. This gives the user almost unlimited possibilities of creating different dynamic blocks, which significantly contributes to increased efficiency of working in AutoCAD. In this video, I'll draw the same section through the building using standard and dynamic blocks to show you how working with dynamic blocks is less time consuming. To make the result as precise as possible, both sections will be drawn on the same PC and the same AutoCAD environment. Also, both sets of blocks has been drawn in advance with random lengths, heights and sizes. I'm gonna use the following dynamic blocks. Wall dynamic blocks with changeable wall height, insulation height, window head height, window height, and flip state. Floor dynamic block with changeable span and visibility state. Roof dynamic block with changeable span, pitch, top chord extension, webs extension in 3 points, and also eaves extension. And finally, stairs dynamic block with changeable overall stair height and going width. Let's start then. On the left hand side of your screen, section drawn using dynamic blocks. On the right hand side, the same section drawn using non-dynamic blocks. The video has been speeded up 20 times. Let's see which section will be completed first. Section using dynamic blocks has been completed in 9 minutes 42 seconds. And section with non-dynamic blocks has been completed in 12 minutes 46 seconds. This means that using dynamic blocks allows to reduce design time in about 20-25%. As you can see, by using dynamic blocks you can save your time and increase efficiency of your work. On the next videos on this playlist, I'll go through different options of dynamic blocks, thanks to which you will be able to create your own ones. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Also visit my Facebook and Twitter pages where I'll be posting AutoCAD quick tips. Thanks and see you around.